From the Tennessee Valley Weather Center, this is your weather tonight.
Skies look to stay mostly clear as we head through the evening and overnight. Here is your hourly forecast, dropping out of the 80s into the 70s as we go forward, and then down around the upper 60s to near 70 degrees for morning lows, staying mostly sunny through our Wednesday morning, warming quickly. We look to hit the mid-80s by 9 or 10 a.m., and then into the low to mid-90s for most of us as we head into the afternoon for forecast highs. Here's that futurecast breakdown. And again, mostly clear skies tonight, dropping through the 70s toward somewhere near the upper 60s to lower 70s for morning lows. A few clouds moving in, and then futurecast shows a few showers moving in tomorrow afternoon. I am going to say there's about a 10% chance of a shower tomorrow afternoon. However, I do think futurecast is overdoing this. I don't expect much of any rain at all. Most of us likely staying completely dry for our Wednesday. Just be aware there could be a stray shower. However, Futurecast has a tendency to overdo things like this, and it already has been incorrect about this very thing a couple times already the past few days. So I do think we're mainly going to stay dry for our Wednesday here. Just don't be surprised at a stray isolated shower. Daytime highs otherwise in the low to mid 90s. Maybe a few folks in North Alabama sneaking up around 97, 98, but most of us between about 92 and 96 for daytime highs, falling back through the 80s into the 70s overnight, getting around 68 to 72 for morning lows on Thursday morning as well. More of the same for Thursday and Friday, partly cloudy to mostly sunny and staying dry. Daytime highs again getting closer to the mid 90s. Staying dry for Saturday as well. Maybe a shower overnight Saturday night, and then possibility of a few isolated showers and thunderstorms as we head towards Sunday. Daytime highs in the low to mid 90s the next 5 days. Morning lows upper 60s, lower 70s. So within a few degrees of where we should be for this time of year as we get ready to head out of July into the start of August here over the next several days and into the heart of summer. We are tracking the tropics. A few disturbances we've been watching. We have one rolling off the coast of Africa. We have a low pressure spinning off the southeast coast we're watching, as well as the disturbance now moving into the eastern Caribbean. National Hurricane Center highlighting all three with a low chance of tropical development. We'll watch that system off the southeast coast. Not a lot of computer model support for it, however. The one in the eastern Caribbean, I do think, is losing its chance of becoming a tropical depression or tropical storm as it's encountering some really intense wind shear that's not going to be backing off the next few days. The system that I think has the better shot of possibly developing into a tropical depression or stronger would be the one that's now rolling off the west coast of Africa and moving out into the Atlantic. It may have a shot at developing into something as it moves north of the Leeward Islands and the Lesser Antilles as we head toward the weekend into early next week. Still several days out there, but we'll watch it carefully. No imminent threats of a major tropical system to the United States for at minimum the next 7 days. Temperature starting near 70 degrees for morning lows on your Wednesday as you grab that first cup of coffee, mostly clear skies, and then partly sunny as we head through our Wednesday. Again, thinking that Futurecast is overdoing rain chances, but we're going to say rain chance maybe about 10% for an isolated shower. Otherwise, partly cloudy to mostly sunny. Daytime highs in the low to mid 90s. More of the same for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Partly cloudy to mostly sunny. Daytime highs warming closer to the mid 90s. Maybe some upper 90s over northern Alabama, and then maybe a few showers and thunderstorms Sunday. We're actually considering removing that rain chance in future updates, though, because the model data for Sunday continues to trend drier. We'll watch it, though, just in case. And then another chance of a few isolated showers and thunderstorms toward Tuesday of next week. That's Look Your latest 7-day forecast. Kelly Rossman's in the Weather Center tomorrow morning with another update to your local weather.